Hello, this is the step-by-step guide to make the patented Mike Law U-bolt at home. You will need one angle grinder from Bunnings, $50. You will need a normal blade like this to cut metal. You'll need a grinding blade like this, which is a thicker one. You'll need safety devices such as earmuffs, eye protection, and gloves, a bar like this, obviously the rod, this is 12mm rod, and a tape measure. So, starting out you have to chop your steel into lengths. So here we are. Each piece of steel needs to be 220 mils long. So, one, two. Now you've measured up your steel. You do the vicious dangerous bit, not terribly work safe, health and safety approved. Get angle grinder, put protection device on, put steel on piece of tin. Next we have to make these bars here not as sharp and painful because you'll cut your fingers on those. We also need to roughen up the bar so it adheres to the glue. So we need to change our angle grinder from the cutting blade, the thick angle grinding one that looks sort of like that. This is one of the most dangerous bits of the whole job. So the first thing you need to do is get rid of the burred edges there. So sort of hold this angle grinder on your lap, fire it up. So now you see the end of the rod is now rounded off, so it doesn't sharpen you. So now we're going to use this angle grinder again to go backwards and forwards over it, like this, to roughen up a section approximately, let's say 4 or 5 centimeters on either end of the bar. So fire it up again. It's very important that the whole thing's all roughed up, but you don't roughen it too far here because the U-bolt, will bend, and you can't have the roughness anywhere near where the bend, or it weakens the actual bend. So now we have 5 prepared rods with the rough surface on each end. So now we have to change our angle grinder back to the thin blade. For this next stage, we are cutting the notches into the ring bolts. The ends along here, notch, 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 notch. And this is the quick and easy way of doing it. Get a cloth of some sort, like this.
Hey, they're my pants. Let's do. Okay.
Get your ring bolts like this, like this. Lay them up next to each other. That, cover them in a cloth. Make sure they all line up nice and evenly like that. Get angle grinder. Put foot on top of them like this, and the aim is to cut notches acrossways in here, about 5 or 6 notches. ends of the bars are now all notched from that, and you just repeat on the other side. So just flip it around, cut, 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 cut. This is the bending device, which is the key to thing. Get bar, measure up a predefined length, I know it's that much. Stick through bar like this. Get metal bar, put through, bend like this.